Right here in this video, I'll be running through the top best video editing app both for Android and for iOS. Now, due to the rapid growth in content creation, now there have been an advancement in putting your videos together and making it appealing to your audience. Now, due to this, there have been a lot of emergence of video editing to app you can use to edit these videos. Now, there are some advanced ones that are complex, that are not easy to use, which are majorly for your PCs, and there are some simpler ones that give you everything you need to edit your videos. Now, in this video right here, I'll be going through the 3 best video editing to app that you can use right now to edit your video, and I'll be walking you through on how you can use this video editing app right here in this video. And by the end of this video, I'll be giving you my best pick, which one is simpler to use and which one is more beneficiary to you. So I'll take you to my phone screen right now, showing you all these tools and showing you all this app and how you can make use of this very tool. So before we dive into my phone and before I share this with you, let me quickly introduce myself. My name is Norman Evans, and in this very channel I share videos around ways you can make money online, productivity, creativity, and how you can harness your growth in the internet. And if you are very new in this channel, you are welcome home. I will advise you right now to kindly go down there and subscribe to this very community for more amazing videos like this, because I drop videos like this every single week. And you can also check out my other videos, and you are going to be glad you did so. With that said, let's jump into my screen right now as I share this with you. Okay, our first editing tool app right here is called VN. Now, VN is very much available to download on Play Store and on App Store, so you can use it on both devices. Now, this is unavoidably one of the best apps right now you can use to edit your videos. Right now, VN is an amazing tool app you can use to edit, and it's very easy and it's very straightforward, and it has amazing features you can use to edit your app. Right now, this is the app right now, as you can see, and they have this interface of a desktop. It looks like you are editing on your PC when you are editing on this app, because this app gives you that feel that you are editing professionally, and it's very simple and it's very easy and straightforward to use. So I'm going to be walking us through the interface and the features of this app and what makes it one of the best apps right now you can use to edit your videos, no cap. Right now, we are already in the interface right now, as you can see. This is the interface of this very app, and the first one you are seeing right here is the music tab. Now, this is the place where you can add your music into your videos. Now, you can add your sound design, your music into this very part, and the other part is where you can add your text into your videos. Right, you can add your text and your captions or your subtitles, as you can see over there. And the third part is where you can have your stickers and overlays, and also it has the progress bar in the video bar. As you can see, here's the progress bar, and you can play a close look at this very progress bar to see how it moves. Right, so that's the progress bar. So if I swap the video, it will be telling me the progress bar of the video, and we just arrive at the end of this very video. Right now, at this very app, these are the tools, as you can see right now. If you look down, these are all the tools in this very app. Right, and this is the filter tool, where you can have filter to your videos. Right now, you can change the filter of your video. Right, this app has amazing filter you can use to change and color grade your video. Right, and you can also adjust and color grade right here. If I want to make the blue in my background have more effect, I will just control this very place. Right, as you can see, that blue is having more effect right there. If you want me to create a separate tutorial teaching you on how you can edit professionally on this very application, let me know in the comment section. Right, and the next thing you are seeing right here is the FS effect. Right, these are effects that comes in between your video. Now, if you want your video to have some effect, as you can see right now, these are some effects that make your video more attractive and make viewers stick to your video. Right now, these are some effects right now, and these effects are super amazing. Right, are super amazing. So guys, I'm just going to just go back, and the next thing you are seeing right here is your split, where you can split your video. Imagine you want to split your video at this very place. You can just click on this image right here, then you click on split, and it's going to split it into 2. Then you can go ahead and edit your video, and you have the speed button right here. If you want to speed your video, if you want to make it slower, this is where you can do that. And we have the volume. If you want to increase the volume, now you can increase the volume from 100 to 150, right, even to higher level. And you can, this is the fade in, the crop, where you can crop your video into any size. You want to make it 16:9, you want to make it 1 by 1, or you want to make it that TikTok size. It should be like this. Then it can be on TikTok or Instagram or short reels. Right, and these are the parts you can use. Right, you can extract your video. And one of the best thing I love about this very application is the zoom effect. Right, is the zoom in and zoom out effect. Now, this one, you can use this to jump in and jump out of your video. As you can see, this is the zoom in, zoom out. Right, zoom in, zoom out. Right, move right, and you can just zoom in, zoom out, zoom in, zoom out. This way you can use this to stimulate your viewers into your video. Now, this is a technique most YouTubers and most content creators use to stimulate and make their viewers stick to their video. right? Now you can navigate and make sure you use that. And one of the amazing tool right here is the auto caption. Now you can easily generate auto caption on your video while editing through VN. And if you check at the top corner right here, you can see that you can easily change the ratio of your video right in this very place. If you click on this very place right now, you can see there are different ratios right now. We have the original, we have the 16:9, which is the YouTube size, we have the 9:16, which is the TikTok and the short size, and these are different ways. And you can easily go ahead and export your video by clicking on the top right corner right here. As you can see, you can export your video. You can just choose to manually choose it, and you can choose it, and you can click on export, and your video will start exporting. So guys, this is just the walkthrough of VN and the amazing features and how you can go about it. So let's move down to the next editing tool app right away. If you are getting value in this video, don't forget to smash that like button, right? So let's jump right into the next app. So the next app we'll be talking about is Inshot. Now when it comes to the OG, when it comes to smartphone video editing app on phone, Inshot comes to your mind because Inshot is the OG, right? Inshot has been on ground for a very long time before even other applications come in place. Now this app cannot just only edit videos, but you can edit pictures on this very app. Now this app is easy to use, fast edit, and very simple interface. Now this is the interface of Inshot. The first one is where you can choose your canvas right here. Then the second one is when you can choose your music and you want to do your sound design, and you can put your stickers. You can see the next thing you are seeing here is text. If you want to put in text, there's a new feature on Inshot right now, which enable you to generate captions on your videos. Now these are the features on Inshot. We have the cutout, we have the filter, where you can color grade your images or your videos to whatever taste you want. These are some filters and some effects. And as you can see, this is where you can split your video. All right, it's very easy, right? You can delete any part from here, and you can increase the sound right here. You can change the background, speed up your video, and this way you can add animation. You can crop your video. If you want to crop your video, you can duplicate your images or your videos. You can duplicate it right here, and you can reverse it right here. You can rotate it right here, as you can see right here, and you can also flip it on both sides right here, and you can also freeze your image, which is you can freeze an image out of the video, right? And Inshot is one of the very easy app to use because you don't need any complex keys to start editing on Inshot. So let's move down to the next tool right away. Now the next app is unavoidably one of the best video editing tool app right now in the internet. It's called Capcut. Capcut is one of the recent video editing tool app in the market, and it has taken over the internet by storm. Now Capcut offers almost everything you need. Now Capcut is not just available on Play Store, on App Store, but you can also use it on PC. Capcut has a PC version, right? That means you can have access to almost everything. This is where you can have access to the interface. Now the interface is just like any other video editing interface you can see out there, right? Where you can add your text, and Capcut can also generate captions for free for you, right? And you can also have some templates. You can do some kind of crazy color grading. If you click on your image right now, you can do some kind of stuff with them, and you can do some color grading with Capcut, right? You can do a lot of color grading with Capcut right here, and you can even increase the video quality, all right, to even HD if this video quality is not HD, right? Capcut is amazing, and one of the best things you can do on Capcut is that you can also even remove background from your video. Let's imagine you want to remove this background from this video. Just click on remove background, then auto remover, and it's going to remove this background for you. As you can see, this is it, right? Now you can just remove the background from image, and you can replace it with any other background you want, right? Now other thing you can do on Capcut, which is amazingly free, is that you can generate captions, dynamic captions, right? Dynamic captions, and these are captions you paid for in other software, but in Capcut is free of charge. And one of the best things you can also do on Capcut is effect. Now Capcut has what we call the body effect and the video effect, as you can see down here right now. And the video effect is applied on the full video, and the body effect is just applied on just the body alone, right? Now Capcut is the king when it comes to effect, transition, and filters, right? They have a lot of effect, transition you can just play with, right? I won't be able to go through all of them due to time, but I'm just going to go through one or two of them so that you can see what I'm talking about. Now these are some effects you can go on Capcut. As you can see, these are some effects right here. This is where you can add your image, your sound. You check for copyright, you can add your sound effects, and you can also extract your video and record your audio, right? And this is where you can also add your auto captions. You can put filter right here, and you can also color grade your videos right here, right? And one of the best part is that Capcut has what we call colorway, but this is only available on PC, so you only have access to it on PC. As you can see, advanced color grading on desktop, right? So guys, Capcut is one of the best tools right here you can use to edit any of your videos, because Capcut gives you almost everything you need to edit your video into a professional standard level, right? So guys, these are the 3 best 2 apps right now on the internet, right? If you are going for simple edits, let's go for Inshot, because Inshot is very easy to use. And if you are going for some advanced features, we go for Capcut. And if you are going for simple and advanced together, I prefer you go for VN, because VN right here gives you almost everything you need to edit your video on a very standard professional level, right? Now VN is very simple to use, it has advanced features, and it has easy interface to navigate, right? So guys, I believe you find value from this video, and this is the best time to like this video right now. Please like this video, that way you are sending a good signal to YouTube. And also, if you have not joined the family, subscribe, and you can join my channel by clicking on the join button right there, right, for more benefits from this very channel. So with that said, I'll see you around in this video. Bye for now. So guys, these are the 3 editing tool apps you can use right now, and these 3 tool apps are the best so far. Now you can use this tool app on your Android or iPhone, it does not matter. And it does not matter if you are a beginner or you are an expert, or you are just beginning your journey as a video creator or a content creator. Now, out of these 3 apps, I'm going to tell you my best pick based on simplicity and advanced features. Now, if you want to go for simpler edits, fast edits, I will advise you go for Inshot, because Inshot is very easy to use and it's very fast to use. But if you want to go for more advanced features like animation, effects, and some color grading and some captions, I will advise you use Capcut. And also you can use VN, because VN also is an amazing application. But the one I use for my fast edits is Inshot, and the one I use for most of my videos and advanced features is Capcut. I also make use of VN some other time. So anyone you use is best for you. If you are going for fast edit and simplicity, I will advise you go for Inshot. And if you are going for some advanced features, then I will advise you go for Capcut and VN. So I believe you find this video valuable and helpful. I would love you right now to just smash the like button. That way you're encouraging me and telling YouTube that this video is a great video. And also subscribe to this very channel if you have not done so. It costs you nothing to subscribe. Go down there right now, subscribe and like this video. And you can also share this video to someone you know it will be valuable to them. So share your thoughts in the comment section if you have any suggestions for me. So guys, thanks again for watching. If you want to learn how you can grow your YouTube channel from 0 to 1K subscribers within few months, I will advise you click this video right now, stream right now to access that video. With that said, I'll see you right here. Bye for now.